Good morning and welcome to the new video on Convoy Cars. This is a 2010 December Volkswagen Vento Highline 1.5 automatic DSG gearbox sedan, corporate to individual transferred, single hand driven, second owner on RC, done 46,000 some odd kilometers. It's a white color beautiful car with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, automatic climate controls, electrical ORVM, leather seats, front and rear armrest, rear glass defogger, factory fitted integrated music system. There's everything that you can expect from a mid-segment sedan that you get in this car. A very beautifully maintained white color sedan coming at a very attractive price of 2,85,000, which is equivalent to a hatchback like Swift or an i20 or a Polo for that matter. If you look at a 2011 make vehicle in petrol, and you get this sedan, that too with automatic transmission with a DSG gearbox. Really premium looking exteriors, no dents, no scratches. There were a few scratches, we have got the touch-ups done, so the car looks absolutely beautiful. The interiors of the car also are really clean and soothing. I will take you inside the car. We will also go for a test drive on the car. As you can see, the car looks absolutely beautiful. It's a non-accidental, beautifully maintained sedan. I will take you to the interiors of the car now. This is how the dashboard looks like, really neat. The steering wheel looks really rich with the leather wrap and the chrome finish on it. This is the DSG gear shifter. The shifter is exactly same that you get in a Polo GT TSI. This is the integrated music system. That's the automatic climate control console. Take a look at the roof lining, which is absolutely clean, original from the factory. The seat covers, leather finish seat covers, are absolutely smooth and clean. These are the door trims that come from the factory. So you get all 4 power window buttons here. You get a ORVM adjustment joystick here. This is the lock unlock button for all 4 doors. This is the boot opening button. Here, this you get to operate the headlamps. The weather in Bombay is really hot right now. I will have to turn on the AC, and the car engine is on now. So as you can see, there are no malfunctions on the car. It's done 46,575 kilometers. The air conditioning has been turned on. The AC is doing a good job. The interiors of the car are really well maintained, clean. That's the rear parking sensor display. The rear seats are absolutely clean, no damage to the leather. The engine is quite silent, smooth and powerful. We're now going for a spin on this car. Since it's a DSG, you won't even realize when the gear shifts. We are already on the 3rd gear at a speed of 50. Beautifully shifting gears on this DSG vehicle. There are no noise from the suspension. Feels really great driving this car. Once again, the details of the vehicle, it's a December 2010, so I would rather call it 2011. Second owner on RC, 46,500 kilometers done. Highline 1.5 automatic DSG gearbox. Insurance of the car is expired. Tires, rear tires are 80-85%, front tires are about 65 to 70% tires. The interiors and exteriors of the car are really beautiful. Skoda Volkswagen doesn't get any kind of rusting, so you don't have to worry about that. And as far as the engine goes, I would rate it 9 out of 10. Suspensions 7 out of 10. Interiors 9 out of 10. Exteriors 8 out of 10. Beautifully maintained, good vehicle at this price band of 2,85,000 rupees, in which you usually get a hatchback, and that too sometimes without the airbags feature. However, in this one you get a sedan, and that too with airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, climate control, integrated music system, leather seats, front and rear armrest, and an automatic gear shift. So whoever is genuinely interested and finds this as an attractive deal can call me on 9768001006, or you can also WhatsApp me on the same number. You've been watching this video on Convoy Cars. We make these videos real time on our mobile phones, so there's no editing, there's no voiceover that we do, there's no drama that we do here. It's absolutely what we shoot is what we update or what we post on YouTube, and you get to see the real stuff which is actually available for sale. No effects, no editing, nothing applied. As you can see, I was just getting the front tire inflated here, and I did not even felt like editing that part here, because that's absolutely normal. Anyone who's driving a car will have to do this. Alright, we're back on road. The car is really driving great. We're already on D4 now. The car is performing really good. It's D5 now. It's always fun to drive Volkswagen vehicles. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact me on 9768001006 if you like this car and want to take a test drive. Thank you. Bye for now.